Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now. Hey, thank you for opening up this video. You are awesome. I appreciate it. In this video, I will explain a unique money-making strategy that anybody can do. It's free and it's available worldwide. So, if you've been searching on the internet for ways to make money online, then I want you to pay close attention, because this will inform you on everything you need to do in order for this strategy to work. However, this is just a strategy and should not be considered guaranteed income. This is just for educational purposes. Also, this is an update to a video I did earlier, and this link is located right here. Again, hello and welcome to the video. We're going to get right into it. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial though. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and maybe even blow up. Okay, maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. That would be a good idea. Number 3, turn off all distractions and close out of all of the other programs and turn your phone off and pay attention to this. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. Okay, with all that stuff said, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now. Here we go. With this strategy, we're going to be using several different websites, so please stick with me. I'm going to show you step by step on how to get some money here in this strategy. Now, since I've already talked about money in this, there is a little disclaimer. This is just for your educational purposes only. This strategy is not guaranteed that you're going to be making $2 every 30 seconds, okay? Let's just be upfront and honest. All this is showing you a strategy on how you can earn money online. Okay, with all that being said, and before we get into this video any further, I want you to go and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that like icon down there, and also hit that little bell icon so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video. And please comment down below, tell me where you're from, and also share this with everybody you know so we can spread the love. All right, so this is a pretty cool strategy, and we're talking about this website here called the Crowdfire app. Now, what is Crowdfire? Well, everybody needs help, right? Everybody needs a little assistance, especially if they are going to be working online and using social media as the way to advertise their business. So what this is it's a management program, a management app that helps people discover and schedule content and manages all your social accounts in one place. Now, yes, I have used this site. Okay, I have used this site especially for on Twitter, for example, and you can schedule your tweets to go out on several different times if you want throughout the day. So this really helps because you're sending out tweets all the time, or you're putting up content all the time. It is time consuming to do all that. So what Crowdfire is, it helps you as a business owner manage your time better because they will do all the management for you. So it's a really cool app for people to use. But we're not going to be doing that. We're actually going to be selling this service. So that means, you could go down here and read all of this stuff. You can pre-schedule all content, publish content from your own blogs and sites, discover relevant content based on the topics of interest so you can get ideas so you can put your content on there, get tailored posts, and lots of different features. And it has over 19 million users right now around the world. And there's some different testimonials here you can read through. But anyways, that's fine. What we want to do is go down here to the very bottom and hit affiliates and referrals. Once you do that, since I've already clicked on it, we're already here, you can, the cool thing about this and why I'm excited about this for you guys is because you can refer and earn up to $420 for every customer. So you invite anyone to join Crowdfire and they'll give you up to 35% of all payments they make in their first year. So there's unlimited earnings. You earn in cash. It's free to join. You get quick payouts, and they also have easy tracking and reports. All right. So how does it work? Well, basically, you sign up and get your referral link. You join their program, and you get a unique tracking link, and you'll earn for customers that sign up through that link. And then you share and promote your link. The more you promote your link, the more you earn. All right. Share your link via social media, blogs, emails, or any way you want. And then you earn when they spend. So earn 35% of every single payment your customers make, even while you're asleep. Bing! Hey, I just made money, right? Okay. How much can you earn? Well, it's actually up to you as much as you want. There is no limit. Okay. So, for instance, you share your referral link, your customer signs up to the monthly VIP plan. Let's say it's $99 per month. Then you earn $35 every single month for the first year. And that's a cool $420 from just one customer. Now, imagine what you can do if you refer 100 customers. And they've paid out thousands of dollars since they've launched this program. So it's an amazing place that you can go. It's pretty new and you can make a lot of money doing it. So what you do is you go over here and you click this button to sign up. The join now button over here to sign up. After you get everything set up, you want to use this referral login because it's on two different sites. So you hit join now, sign up, do all that sort of stuff. And if you exit out of it and come back into the program, you have to hit this referral login button. So here's your back office. Obviously, this is a new account, so there's nothing to report. But here you can see the number of clicks, the number of people that you referred, how much you've sold, how much you've earned, and how much is pending. Okay, because they want to make sure that the people are legit, right? So that's why there's a pending there. And here's your link where you can get it. All you do is just hit copy and then you get it. And again, you get 35% of every single sale that is made. So the next thing you do is go over to this site called Bitly and you go ahead and that is the link shortener. So you want to shorten that link, okay? But Bob, how are we going to get people to this site? Well, what do you think? Where do people go? A lot. That's Facebook, right? And you go into Facebook groups and you use Facebook to go and get those people signed up to Crowdfire, okay? And you can successfully advertise this very simply by going over to Facebook and going to all of those groups and social media and click on one of those Facebook groups and say, and basically say something along the lines of, use this site, it'll help you save time managing your social media. It has helped me, and I'm sure it'll help you. And put some sort of call to action in there. Now, if you need some help doing all that, I want you to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have some tips and tricks on how to advertise your business. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. That's it for this video. I'm super busy today. It's great that you're here, and I appreciate you very much. Again, please like, share, comment, and do all that stuff for me. That would be tremendous. I really appreciate you, and have a wonderful day, and go make money now.